So when do you have to pay estate tax? My name is Claire Langton Yanowitz, and I'm an attorney at the Yanowitz Law Firm, where we help people protect what matters most, including save people on taxes. Okay, so in this movie, I'm going to talk to you about when you have to pay estate tax. And I'm an attorney in Minnesota. So Minnesota has an estate tax. The federal government has an estate tax. And both of those taxes are due 9 months after someone dies. So there's a joke in the lawyer community, it takes 9 months to cook a baby. Until they come out, it takes 9 months to die. But so you have to pay tax 9 months after the date of death. It's not like income tax season where it's due by April 15th. It's a rolling basis upon when someone dies during the year. And there is what's called an unlimited marital deduction and charitable deduction. So that means if you're giving assets to your spouse or to charity, you won't pay any estate tax. You have to file if you're over the threshold, but you won't be paying anything. Okay, so that is something to know. Oftentimes married couples don't ever see the day in which they pay the estate tax because it doesn't actually isn't owed until both of them are deceased. Okay, so it's only when the children inherit that's when estate tax is owed. Now, something to know with filing the return is, so the tax is owed 9 months after date of death, but you can get an automatic 6-month extension. So you can have up to 15 months to file the return. But that extension on filing the return is not an extension on payment. It is very hard to get an extension on payment. So most of the time, even if we're extending filing the return, we still need to send in an estimated payment within 9 months of the date of death. And in Minnesota, the estate tax exemption is $3 million. And the estate tax rates start at 10% and climb to 16%. So if someone has an estate greater than $3 million, the tax is applied to the amount above $3 million. It's not applied on the full $3 million. It's in the amount above it. So if someone had, $3.1 million and they owed 10% tax on the amount above $3 million, they would owe $10,000 to the government and has to be paid within 9 months of their death. Thank you so much for listening and learning. If you have questions or comments on other topics you'd like me to make videos on, feel free to comment in the comments below. And also feel free to share this movie with a friend if you found it helpful. Thank you.